Hey everyone, my name is Sean Chen. I'm a product manager here at Coder.
Hello, I'm Sushant Patankar. I'm an engineering manager here at Coder.
We're here to tell you a bit about one of our most popularly requested features of all of Coder history, which is workspace sharing. We offer user to user sharing, so an individual can take their workspace, share it to someone else to get troubleshooting help. Now, if you're an enterprise user and hearing that just sent fear into your heart, you're nervous about all the security ramifications, don't worry about it. Enterprise controls will be coming in this release.
We're introducing a new feature called service accounts. This new type of account is a headless account without a user identity attached. With service accounts, security controls are built in. You have multiple permission levels with options to allow sharing for only service accounts rather than user to user. Workspaces persist beyond individual employees and credentials are neutral. Access is also auditable and attributed to humans. Here we have a demo that highlights how service accounts with shared workspaces can address common automation and collaboration scenarios like having a persistent on-call rotation workspace. We've created a workspace using a service account as the owner, and we're now ready to share it with Tracy, who's the engineer on call. Once Tracy is done with her on-call rotation, we may get a push from PagerDuty, let's say, that tells us the new user who's on call, Sushant. Let's share the workspace with Sushant. So now they also have access to the workspace while their on-call rotation is in action. Once done, we can now remove Tracy from the on-call rotation. So now only Sushant has access to the workspace.
Thanks, Sushant. So that's just one of a lot of different opportunities here because there's plenty of automations that you can set up yourself. So I would recommend that you check out our documentation and try out workspace sharing for yourself today.